Please subscribe for more videos.
A is the letter, A is the sound that it makes. A is the letter, A goes the A. B is the letter, B is the sound that it makes. B is the letter, B goes the B. C is the letter, K is the sound that it makes. C is the letter, K goes the C. D is the letter, D is the sound that it makes. D is the letter, D goes the D. E is the letter, E is the sound that it makes. E is the letter, E goes the E. F is the letter, F is the sound that it makes. F is the letter, F goes the F. G is the letter, G is the sound that it makes. G is the letter, G goes the G. H is the letter, H is the sound that it makes. H is the letter, H goes the H. I is the letter, I is the sound that it makes. I is the letter, I goes the I. J is the letter, J is the sound that it makes. J is the letter, J goes the J. K is the letter, K is the sound that it makes. K is the letter, K goes the K. L is the letter, L is the sound that it makes. L is the letter, L goes the L. M is the letter, M is the sound that it makes. M is the letter, M goes the M. N is the letter, N is the sound that it makes. N is the letter, N goes the N. O is the letter, O is the sound that it makes. O is the letter, O goes the O. P is the letter, P is the sound that it makes. P is the letter, P goes the P. Q is the letter, Qu is the sound that it makes. Q is the letter, Qu goes the Q. R is the letter, R is the sound that it makes. R is the letter, R goes the R. S is the letter, S is the sound that it makes. S is the letter, S goes the S. T is the letter, T is the sound that it makes. T is the letter, T goes the T. U is the letter, is the sound that it makes. U is the letter, goes the U. V is the letter, V is the sound that it makes. V is the letter, V goes the V. W is the letter, W is the sound that it makes. W is the letter, W goes the W. X is the letter, X is the sound that it makes. X is the letter, X goes the X. Y is the letter, Y is the sound that it makes. Y is the letter, Y goes the Y. Z is the letter, Z is the sound that it makes. Z is the letter, Z goes the Z.
Please subscribe for more videos.